So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ingrid Lavia. I'm a teacher by profession, but I'm also a community worker, very engaged in the community. I'm here today at the Owia Salt Pond, I love the Owia Salt Pond, and I'm here to do some presentation of our local foods, how they are being prepared. I learned about these food in my late 20s, early 30s. I start practicing to prepare these foods. I learned from my aunt, my mother, and even a good neighbor assisted me in getting the knowledge to prepare these foods. Yes, as a little girl, we had a lot of these foods. They were always a part of our diet. The madungo bakes, the pudding and ducuna, and the cassava bread. These are traditional foods. We always look forward to the cassava bread on a Good Friday during Easter time. That was one of our main meals for Good Friday, the cassava bread and the farine. Well, when preparing these foods, I remember our ancestors, our foreparents, my grandparents, my great-grandparents, because these are the ones who really started preparing these foods. So when preparing them, I think back about them and how they got it done, and here we are today, still doing it. First, I'm going to look at the ducuna, and ducuna is made from sweet potato. I think that everybody knows what is sweet potato. So ducuna is made from sweet potato, and to make ducuna, I have my ingredients. I have my essence, my ginger, my cinnamon spice, sugar, and coconut. These are my ingredients. So now I'm going to add the ingredients to the potato, and then we'll move from there to see how we make our ducuna. So first I'm going to grate the ginger. That's my ginger. So I'm going to mix in the ginger. After which I'm going to add my coconut. Use the meat of the coconut. I'm going to add half cup of coconut. To add my spice, cinnamon. So I add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Essence. You stick 2 tablespoons of essence. And then I'm going to add my sugar, 1 pound of sugar. Because sweet potato is sweet, you try to limit the amount of sugar. So I'm just going to use 1 pound of sugar. That's my final ingredients. You mix until you think the sugar is melted. Okay. So here we have it all ready to be made, and we make it a bush, not the banana leaf. Some people use banana leaf, but we use a leaf that you'll find it high up in the mountain or along the coast, the seashore. So this is the bush. You know how much you're familiar with it. We call it Balenje. That's the name we were given from our foreparents. That's the name that is with us up to today. So we wrapped in the bush. We have our string. The string is from penguin. And normally we usually soak it in water so that it gets soft, so that when you tie it, you won't have a problem, it won't burst. Once it's soft, it tie easily. So while doing all of this, your pot with the water should already be on the fire, because you do not put Ducuna in cold water. Once the water is boiling, put your Ducuna in and you allow them to boil for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours most. Here you have a finished product, all ready to eat and enjoy.
It's very chewy and sweet and gingery, like you said. Yeah. I'm sorry for the licking, but that's Ducuna.